Clinical Judgment 2017. This may be how you feel with prioritizing and reprioritizing. The goal is to understand clinical judgment. Clinical judgment is not linear thinking. It's a holistic approach. The first thing to do is accumulate the data. And remember, right and wrong is great helpful for a novice nurse, rule-based standardized guidelines, but many times it can be overruled by patients' preferences. The Tanner's model will help a novice nurse, and is the guideline theory that nurses' knowledge, experience, nursing values, and personal environmental context and knowing the patient all will influence noticing. So noticing, interpreting, responding, and reflecting. And remember, they can go in all different directions. And reflecting in and reflecting on. Goal and problem solving. Identify and treat or prevent the actual potential problems. This is when you're planning, implementing, and evaluating, which will affect clinical judgment. So what's the difference with a novice nurse and expert nurse is that the novice nurse uses deductive reasoning, rules, and comparisons of the patient within the textbook, a systematic analysis of the situation, where the expert nurse looks at the whole picture and uses pattern recognition and intuition to derive from the experience to make a judgment. So reflecting is connecting the clinical situation to the outcome. Reflecting in, questions would look like, how is the patient responding to my intervention? Do I need to change what I'm doing? This happens in the clinical setting. Reflecting on, what is the final outcome? Do my actions influence the outcome positively or negatively? What might I have done differently? In what parts of the clinical judgment process could my thinking have been more clear? This happens more at home. So, types of thinking: analytical, intuitive, reflective, narrative. The exemplars we'll have is prioritization, when to call the doctor, advocacy, and urgent emergent situations. Thanks for watching. Good luck on the test, and this is Alana Kovac.
Created using Powtoon.